Now here's a very basic analog synth. About as basic as you can get. Well, not quite. But this is the Atari Punk Console. If you know anything about synths, you've probably at least heard of this thing. It consists of two 555 timers. One of the oscillators is producing an audible frequency square wave. The other one is creating a short trigger blip that controls the audible one. You've got the left one connected, triggering the right one, if that makes sense. Anyway, I feel like I should build this. Well, that was quick. Actually, it's a pretty simple build. Let's fire it up.